Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing really well. Today I'm creating a Eid inspired makeup tutorial and I hope you really enjoy it as much as I did. To begin with, I'm using the NYX Photo Finish Primer to smoothen out the pores on my skin. I am now using the LA Girl Peach Corrector to correct the darkness under my eyes and some pigmentation across my face. I am next using the PAC Spotlight Concealer. If you haven't used it yet, then you should definitely do because this is one of the most full coverage concealer in the Indian market right now. And to dab off this, I am using the Wiseshe Mini Blender. For my foundation, I am using the L'Oreal Pro Matte Foundation. This foundation is so best suited for oily and combination skin type, and I so love the matte finish that it gives. And to push the foundation into my skin, I am using the Wiseshe Precision Blender. Next, to fill out my brows, I am using the Benefit Brow. And if you want to watch how I fill out my brows, then I have a mini tutorial of this on my Instagram page. I am now using a concealer to carve out my brows to make them appear sharper. Now I'm placing some loose powder under my eyes before starting off with my eye makeup so that I can catch any fallout from the eyeshadows. For my eye makeup, I'm using the Huda Remastered palette. I am first taking the shade Demure and just placing it on and above my crease. Next, I'm using the shade Bisque from the palette and placing the color on the outer corner of my eyes and also lightly taking this towards my crease. Next, I'm taking Cocoa, which is a chocolate brown shade, and placing it on my outer V just to add more depth and dimension. I'm once again taking the shade Demure and blending out the edges of my eyeshadow. Next, I'm cutting my crease with the PAC concealer. Once again, I'm taking the shade Bisque and placing this in the inner 1/4 of my eye. Next, I'm picking this gorgeous shade Pink Diamond and applying it in the center of my eyelid. This gorgeous pigment definitely stole the show, I can say. Just dusting away the loose powder under my eyes. Now I'm using the Inglot gel liner and lining my eyes using smaller strokes. I'm once again taking the shade Bisque and applying this on my waterline. I'm now using a nude eye pencil from Kryolan on my waterline to make my eyes look even more brighter. Next, to bring the complete look together, I'm using the lashes from Renee in the style Munny, and these lashes are so lightweight and yet they bring out your eye makeup so beautifully. Okay, I used a Lash Warrior mascara, but unfortunately my camera did not capture it. I am now using the contouring palette from Wet n Wild and going in the hollows of my cheeks to give a little dimension to my face. From the Myglamm Trio palette, I am using the pretty pink blush on the apples of my cheek. I'm using the highlighter from the same palette, and let me just tell you, I am so much in love with this highlight because it's so subtle and not overpowering. For my lips, I am using the Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade Precious. If you haven't tried this liquid lipstick formula, then you're definitely missing out on something. And to line my lips, I'm using the Glowmiere Beauty Lip Liner in the shade Juicy. I always prefer lining my lips after I apply my lipstick. I am now using the banana powder from the Wet n Wild Contouring Palette just to clean out the extra contour and make my face look more chiseled and sharp. I'm lightly dusting this powder away. And to seal the deal, I am using the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. So here I'm all ready and set for Eid. I wish all my lovely friends Eid Mubarak. I hope you loved and enjoyed watching my Eid makeup tutorial. If you really did, please do not forget to hit like, subscribe and also do comment if you really loved it. Until then, please take care. Bye bye.